Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to officially join ISO beta profile and get all the updates of ISO 16 beta at your iPhones and as well as iPads. So let's get started. Firstly, open your default Safari browser and in the search bar type here beta.apple.com. The page of screen Apple beta software program. Just scroll it up and at the bottom you can see option sign up. If you are a new user, just type at sign up, and if you have already a member, just type at sign in. I'm already a member, that's why I'm going with sign in. Now enter your Apple ID passcode. Now page on screen you can see guide for public betas. Now read all the instructions and type at here enroll your ISO device. Just tap on it. Now read all the instructions. Now at the bottom you can see a second option install profile. Just tap at download profile. Now tap at allow. Now close the window. Now go back. Open your settings. Now page on screen you can see profile downloaded. Just tap on it. Now tap at install. Enter your passcode. Now tap at install. Again tap at install. It's asking for restart. I'm going with not now. Tap at done. Now go back. Now again tap at software update. As the page on screen you can see ISO 16 beta is available for download. Now download and install it. Like this you can easily download the official beta of the ISO 16. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please share and subscribe my channel too. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.